To operate the HMT Advantage Laminator, turn on the machine and let it heat for about 10 minutes. During this time, you can get your materials ready to run. Several types of materials can be used with the Advantage Laminator. The most common are particle board, MDF, and plywood. Many other types will also run well in the Advantage Laminator. You may need to make minor changes in the heat or speed setting for the application to run smoothly. For example, foams and fiberglass panels run well when the speed is turned up. Melamine faceboard will bond best when the surface is scuffed. Vinyl products will run when a scrim or primer is applied to the back. Initially, set drive speed to 60% and temperature control to 85% to run a sample. Make sure the compression rollers are properly set. When the machine is ready to run, load the substrate onto the infeed section. Push it gently against the black side guide rollers so you don't disturb the side registration. Move it up so that the lead edge is just at the adhesive payout area. Pull the adhesive up and over the panel to the end of the board. Leave about half the thickness of the panel overhanging the back edge. Cut the adhesive at the front edge, leaving about the same overhang. Make sure the adhesive hangs over the edges an equal amount and that there are no folds or large wrinkles. It doesn't have to lie perfectly flat because it will melt under the heat bank. Just be sure the adhesive is not folded over on itself. Push the panel onto the drive rollers, then slide the laminate down into position. Do not bring the laminate down before starting the panel onto the drive because the front end will heat more than the back, which may change the flatness of the panel. Make sure it's against the long side guide as well as the stop for the length. As the panel advances under the heat bank, the glue will melt. Hold the laminate in place so it won't lose registration or start to feed by itself. Keep pressure on the side guide as the assembly starts into the compression rollers to make sure side registration is consistent. When the panel exits the compression rollers, it's ready to be fabricated. The Advantage Laminator is equipped with several safety features. The mushroom switch on the side of the machine is an emergency shutoff. When pushed, this will turn off the drive and heat system. Operation is restored when you lift the switch, then push the machine run switch on the control panel. Another safety feature is the red bar on the outfeed side of the compression rollers. By pulling this bar down or away from the rollers, the drive and heat system will turn off, along with releasing the compression rollers. To restart, push the bar up into place, then push the machine run switch on the control panel. Again, thank you for choosing the HMT Advantage Laminator. If you have any questions regarding applications or sample requests, please contact HMT Manufacturing at 1-800-433-0730 or log on to our website at www.hmtmfg.com.